Just do it! Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true!
What's happening, guys?
Yes,
Welcome
sir.
back
Yes,
to my
sir.
YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a market update on GBPCAD. But before we get into the video, do hit that like and subscribe button as it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, as you can see on the monthly time frame, literally at this level there was a strong level of support. Market came all the way, tested this level, and also this moving average, then pushed all the way up, creating high highs and higher lows, and then it impulsively closed below, retest the moving averages, and impulsively closed below the strong level of support. And as you can see, came back, tried to push above the strong level of support, now testing as resistance, and then closed below this level as well as this moving average. And then from there it tried to push up again to this level. It actually did close, but as you can see, closed below, and so this was a complete fake out from the market. Came back, retested again, printed a spike 1 2 3, and then impulsively pushed all the way to around about 1.600, and then came back again to retest this level one more time. And as you can see, this is a very strong level of support. Previous level of support, now tests resistance. Now as you can see, currently the market is sort of like bullish. Market is trending above the blue moving averages, testing it as a dynamic level of support. We are creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, high lows. And in the month of September, as you can see, we've had a very bullish candlestick. Now let's look at the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, as you can see again, we are creating these high highs, these higher lows, highs, higher lows, high low, high low, high low, and high. Market is bullish. Not only that, as you can see, the market literally every single time it came to around or near this moving average, it found a level of support, pushed up, came back, pushed up, came back, pushed up, came back, pushed up. And as you can see, the market has been trending in a bull run these couple of months. Actually, this since 2022 October, first week of October. Now looking at the daily time frame, as you can see again, this was the previous level of resistance. Market came back, found a level of support at 1.7, we can say near 500 or 400. It's just close to 400, and this is a psychological level. Found liquidity at this level, pushed up, came back, retested the moving averages, and as you can see, it found another level of support at 1.700, and then started pushing up. And as you can see, the market has been in a bull run. Now on the H4 time frame, guys, same thing. Market has definitely been in this bull run. Now to reveal this on the daily time frame, guys, as you can see, let me just extend this and let me just turn it to red. Now as you can see on this daily time frame, the market has been creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. And so my first when I was drawing this Fibonacci on the H4 time frame, I used, this was my point A, so this was my point A, this was my point B, and this was my point C, my retracement point. So I start drawing the fib from this level right here, this higher low, and extending it to this higher high, right here. And as you can see, market pulled back to my 50% level retracement. And so my first target was this negative 27%. And my second target was this negative 61%. But I knew again that this would take long. And so when I actually moved down to the H2, I saw this fib, guys. I literally saw this fib from point A. Again, this is my point A, my point B, my point C, point D. So as you can see, since I'd seen that the market had came to this 38.2 retracement level, which is why, guys, I actually have this box right here, because when I saw the market actually coming to this level initially, retesting this 38.2% level and breaking this trend line, this counter trend line, breaking it and retesting this trend line, I then knew and I understood that okay, the market now has to come to at least this negative 27% level. Yeah. And so as you can see, let's just remove this quickly. I'll just hide this and delete this. Now as you can see, we actually did even a market breakdown on this particular trade that we took, and this was sort of like my overall target. And as you can see, once the market broke initially, my target was somewhere in these highs, actually these highs, and my stop loss was just below this. Because when I entered this trade on this week, it was NFP week, and so I think NFP literally came out on this date. At this point, NFP came out, and so I knew and I understood that the market could potentially pull back, and so I needed to be very generous with my stop loss. And so once the market actually came, let me just move to the smaller time frame to give you guys a bit of context. Once the market actually came to this area, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was so impatient because the market kept just fluctuating around about this point. And let me just remove this to the side. And I think I removed my stop loss either to this point or just below, and the market just tagged me out and then hit my TP, my intraday TP based on this particular fib, my negative 27. As you can see, this was my initial TP, hence you see this. And so this was my initial TP, but I knew that on the higher time frame, the market had to pull trend above. And so this trade, and there were a lot of other like trades opportunities that you could have like entered on. As you can see, we're at point A, point B, point C. Market then broke through. Actually, market created a higher high, breaking above or almost above, but broke above these highs, creating a high low. We had weak exhaustion as well, and then the market started just creating high highs and high lows. And so for this pair, the market has actually hit my 27, my TP level, which was negative 61.8. We could potentially come all the way to this level, psychological level, 1.1800, and potentially these highs right here, since this is a weekly level, and the market tends to be drawn towards these levels. And as you can see, guys, like as we broke down initially, the market has been in a strong bullish run, and so the market could potentially come to these highs before maybe pushing back down. Yeah. But in another video, I'll definitely do a much in-depth market breakdown of where GBP CAD can potentially go to in the next couple of months. So without further wasting any of your time, guys, do hit that like and subscribe button, and peace out.